Formulated Materials believes that safety should be the #1 priority on any job site. Please take the time to understand and follow any OSHA or state guidelines that relate to the work at hand. Elevation T-bar termination pockets, or TTPs, are the starting point of all elevation waterproofing systems. TTPs eliminate the traditional method of relying on sealants and layers of membrane to seal the joint where the T-bar and drip edge flashing meet the building. T-bar termination pockets, or TTPs, are installed at every exterior corner detail. Tools required for installation include a tape measure, a hammer, and 1.5 to 2 inch roofing nails. Before installing, check the fit of the TTP to ensure it fits flush to all faces. Inspect the site to ensure that all intersections are square and there are no framing elements protruding that will hinder a proper fit. If building wrap is present, it should extend onto the deck to ensure proper overlap of the waterproofing system. Corner mount TTPs are designed with a 1 1/8 inch gap to account for fascia installation. When installing a flat mount TTP onto an abutting wall, remember to measure and leave adequate space for the fascia between the pocket and the face of the balcony. Fasten the TTP using the pre-drilled holes provided. In cases where brick will be used for the exterior finish, a brick extension may be required. To install the brick extension, place a bead of Elevation SM2 in the trough of the TTP and press the brick extension firmly into the trough. When installed properly, the brick extension will maintain positive slope. With the T-bar termination pockets in place, we are now ready to install the base flashing.